Want to quickly adjust your PlayStation Portal's screen brightness? The quickest way is to press the PlayStation button to bring up the quick menu. Then use the brightness slider to adjust the screen brightness to your preference. Alternatively, you can go through the Settings app by navigating to Settings, then System, Display, and Brightness. From there, manually adjust the slider to your desired brightness or toggle auto brightness on or off to let the portal adjust based on your environment. Finding the right brightness level not only enhances your gaming experience but also impacts battery life. Higher brightness drains the battery faster. For example, 100% brightness might reduce playtime by 1 to 2 hours compared to 50%. Consider enabling adaptive brightness, which uses the front-facing camera to automatically adjust to ambient light, saving battery and reducing eye strain. Experiment to find the best balance between visibility, battery longevity, and eye comfort, especially during long gaming sessions.